want to know what our depth is. So I think batting first is a better option.
An opportunity as well for a lot of players who've not got a hit.
Yeah, I mean, having a game time is really important going into Super 4. So I feel it's a good call to make.
I mean, you've ticked all boxes, especially the way you've played. You're the team to beat. You'll be happy to be in that scenario.
Yeah, I mean, we just want to continue with all the good habits we've been doing in the last 2 games, and hopefully, let's see how it goes today.
Nice ground, this. A little breeze blowing across the ground.
Yeah, I mean, one of the favorite grounds. Good crowd here, so hopefully we get a good day. We have a good day and get a good chance to entertain them all.
And what do you make of this pitch?
Looks really nice. I mean, only our openers will let us know how the wicket is, but it's looking really nice.
And your combination for today?
We have 2 changes. Harshit Rana comes in, and also one more change. Oh my God!
Take your time.
I've become. Harshit comes in, and there's one more guy. Oh my God! I've become like Rohit. Let me see around.
Mone is there? Mone?
I think Mone. No. Harshit, yeah, I told Harshit. I think, yeah, we have 2 changes.
2 changes,
Yeah,
okay.
oh
Never mind, have a good one.
Cheers,
Surya.
thank you.
Jatinder, what would you have done?
We would have batted first, actually.
Yeah. What do you want to take out of this game?
Well, it is a great experience for us to take things from here, and it's a great platform. As you know, our team is pretty much young and they lack experience and exposure. I think it's a great opportunity for them to come out and express themselves freely.
Now, when you play teams like this, India being the world champions in T20 cricket, just for you to rub shoulders, and a lot of your colleagues rub shoulders, have a chat with the Indian players, must be a good opportunity.
100%, sir, as you rightly said. And for us, it's a great opportunity to share dressing room, to share the same field, and just to understand their mind, the game plans, and the training patterns, the work ethic. So a lot of things to take forward from here on.
And you're up against a strong batting lineup now. They're going first, India. What is your combination for today?
Well, we have 2 changes from the previous game. We have Wasim Ali and Hasnain going out. Nadeem and one more. Nadeem and... there's one more change.
No, you're not alone. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Surya's done it too. Have a good one.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So that's the news from the center. It's India who won the toss, and they've decided to bat first.
Thank you, Ravi. And you heard the roar. India won the toss, and they elected to bat first on this surface. This match have no real standing for this tournament, but there's plenty to play for, especially for Oman. This is a great opportunity for them to just show their skills. And I'm joined by Ravi again. Ravi, what's wrong with these captains? They're not remembering the place.
I think they need that Jinko Bilbo. That's
I think so.
The second Indian player was Ashdeep Singh.
Okay.
I didn't ask Jatinder who was the second.
And what do you think of the pitch?
Good pitch. It played well yesterday. I think it's a similar pitch that's being used. I think it'll play well. It'll get slower once the ball gets a little older. But we saw yesterday it lasted the whole game. So even now there's a nice sprinkle of grass on it. It's pretty live grass, but underneath it's a little dry. Not much spin, but you can attack in power play.
Yeah, look, we've been coming here, Dubai, Sharjah, and Abu Dhabi, of course, but I feel Abu Dhabi produces the best T20 pitches or a white ball pitches, and this is no different. I mean, this grass will keep it together.
Yeah.
Yes, there is a little bit dryness under